You're Spider-Boy?
Spider-Man.
Not in that onesie, you're not. You got a passport?
On the route!
You have the right to remain silent!
Everyone's got a gimmick now.
Captain? Big fan of Spider-Man?